pitfalls or falls in your life. It's the only thing how quickly you bounce back from these falls. The only lesson to be learned is the way you can bounce back from these falls and once again start. So if you find anybody who has not failed in his life, you can say that that's an exceptional situation. Greatness is always achieved by bouncing back from the failures. So without having a mindset where you can discriminate between what is important and what is not important, you cannot achieve success in your life. So you should be very clear, take out time, you have to be out of your comfort zone. But once you have taken a decision, always remember that decision making is the most important skill in your life. If you are not able to take a decision, you will be a failure. So once a decision made is a decision made. Life is an exam in which people fail because they try to copy each other. If you want to be successful, the idea should come from your within. Once you start with the idea that comes from your heart and work over it, naturally you are going to get an edge. Students need to be more practical, irrespective of the choice you make. Either you go to a business or you join a company, you all should know the basic concepts of life. You should know what is return on equity, what is the power of compounding, what is the power of retained earnings. These are life skills that will help you to manage any situation you come across. If you are able to skill the nation, you will maintain it in the world competition. Otherwise, you are going to kill the nation.
You're absolutely correct.
In learning, there are certain things which needs to be unlearned also. At your age, you have got so many things which you need to unlearn. So you need to identify your distractions and unlearn those. And adapt to the changing circumstances. If sir says you to put a nail on this wall and if there is a beam behind it, whatever you try, आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लीजिए, if there is a beam behind the wall, you will not be able to put a nail into it. हील टूट जाएगी लेकिन आपसे ठुकेगी नहीं. So you should have that sense that you can change the location little bit and then you will try and you will be successful immediately.